This organic fertilizer can be prepared in just 3 minutes. Your plants will thrive and yield lush crops afterward. Take a larger jar and add a tablespoon of coffee, which provides essential minerals to the plants and improves soil structure. Coffee as a fertilizer is a great way to boost plant growth. Next, add a tablespoon of baking soda, which helps maintain the proper soil pH and strengthens plants. Now, for the brown powder, it supplies plants with valuable nutrients and acts as a natural protective agent, supporting their growth and health. Take a garlic clove, peel 2 of its segments, and chop them into smaller pieces. Then add them to the jar. Add a bay leaf, which acts as a natural pest repellent, and its properties support plant growth. Pour hot water over the entire mixture, stir, and let it steep so the ingredients mix well and the water cools down. Afterward, strain the mixture through cheesecloth and a strainer to remove larger particles. Measure 1 cup of the fertilizer and pour it into a watering can. Add 1 liter of water, and you now have a ready-to-use diluted organic fertilizer. To nourish your plants, simply water your seedlings and flowers with it to promote healthy growth. Pour the undiluted fertilizer into a glass container where you can store it for a long time, ready for future use. One mixture with so many applications to ensure your plants grow strong and healthy. This brown powder is ground cloves, which have antibacterial and antifungal properties. A friendly gardener shared the secret to fertilizing cucumbers with me. Since then, I've been collecting full buckets. The harvest is large, and the cucumbers are juicy and full of flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to a larger bowl. It acts as a natural pH regulator for the soil and improves nutrient absorption. The next ingredient is dry yeast. Yeast is a source of vitamins for plants, stimulating the growth of beneficial microorganisms in the soil, which supports plant growth. Add 2 tablespoons. Wood ash is also very important. It contains potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, which are essential for flowering and fruiting. Additionally, it helps neutralize the soil. Add 2 tablespoons to the bowl. Mix the dry ingredients. Then, pour in about 7 ounces of lukewarm water and mix well. Let it sit for 2 hours to activate the ingredients. After that, prepare a 10-gallon bucket of water. Pour in the mixture you've prepared and stir. Water the cucumbers with this fertilizer once a week, preferably in the evening, around the base of the plants. The cucumbers will grow faster and be more resistant to diseases. From one bed, you'll collect so many that you'll be giving whole bags to your neighbors. Just 1 quart of this mix, and your tomato plants will be loaded with fruit. Do it once, and your tomatoes will produce 5 times more. The fruits will be large, healthy, and sweet. The secret lies in simple homemade ingredients. Start by filling a large bucket with about 2.5 gallons of water. Rainwater works best. The first ingredient is something you use every day: milk. It's a true gem for plants. Milk contains calcium, which strengthens plants and supports root development. It also protects against fungal diseases, crucial for tomatoes. Add about 3/4 cup of milk to the water. Now, for something you probably drink at home, just 1 tea bag is enough. Add a small handful of chamomile tea to the mix. Chamomile acts as a natural antiseptic, boosting plant immunity and encouraging fruit growth. Stir everything well. Water your plants at the base with this solution. Use it every 2 weeks, and your tomatoes will reward you with an abundant harvest. The fruits will be bigger, juicier, and full of flavor. A simple method that works even better than store-bought chemicals. I fertilize hundreds of plants with this: tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and other vegetables, but also potted flowers and those in the garden. And it is actually cost-free, a whole pitcher of fertilizer for basically peanuts. Sounds great, right? It has potassium in it, which is important for flowering and fruiting. It additionally has phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium in it. It reduces the development of pathogens. It protects the seedlings from rot. Currently, the briquette, as it is referred to, is increasingly used as a better alternative to fertilizers. It can increase yields by tens of % compared to lime fertilizers, for example. Briquettes are compressed coal dust. At the very beginning, take the briquette and break it into small pieces with a hammer. Do this in a bag so that the crumbs do not spill. Now the fine briquette sifts through a strainer into a bowl. You only need the contents of the bowl. Take a pitcher and pour half a liter of warm water into it. Now pour in our briquette. Mix it thoroughly. Another good alternative instead of fertilizer is coffee grounds. Pour a spoonful into the pot with coal and mix. Leave our concoction overnight. On the second day, add 500 milliliters of water. Pour our concoction through a strainer. If you've already done this, you can pour out liquid into a diffuser bottle and spray the plants without any problems. In addition, twice a month you can water your plants with our concoction. You will see the effects for sure. Water your seedlings with this. It will speed up the growth of roots, stems, and leaves. It will strengthen young plants, making them more resistant to diseases and unfavorable weather conditions. To prepare it, you only need a few products you surely have at home. Pour 1 liter of warm water into a glass container. It's very important that the water is warm, not cold. Now add 2 packets of dried yeast. Yeast is a natural source of B vitamins, enzymes, and minerals that support root development, strengthen plant immunity, and accelerate growth. Mix everything thoroughly until the yeast dissolves. Pour the solution into a jar, seal it tightly, and leave it for 2 days to allow the yeast to ferment. This process is what makes the fertilizer really effective. After 2 days, simply open the jar and water your seedlings with it. You'll notice a change after just a few days. The leaves will become intensely green, the stems stronger, and the plants will look healthy and vibrant. It's a simple, homemade method that really works. No chemicals, no unnecessary expenses, just the best nature has to offer. Make a nutrient-rich fertilizer for your seedlings using what you already have in your garden. Just gather the grass growing around. Even ordinary weeds will work. Grass has properties that improve soil quality, speed up plant growth, increase resistance to disease, and strengthen the root system. Take a handful of grass and put it into a bucket, filling it halfway. Then chop the plants into smaller pieces. Now take a piece of gauze, spread it out, and place the chopped plants in the center. Fold the gauze inward to form a small pouch. Place this pouch into the bucket filled with water and close it. Let it sit for a few days until the contents begin to ferment. From these humble plants will come the best nutrients. A natural plant-based essence rich in everything your seedlings need. After a few days, mix 1 measure of the liquid with 5 liters of water and use it to water your seedlings. You can also use the undiluted version for larger, stronger plants. It's a natural and effective way to promote faster growth, richer colors, and greater resistance, all from something we usually consider garden waste.